Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.
What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Adrian. I'm so glad that you're here. And for those of you who are already subbies, thank you for showing up and showing out for your girl like you always do. So look, what's up? I just got off work and I saw a video on TikTok showing how you can make chickpea flour from scratch. Now, I do buy chickpea flour, right? And okay, so I do buy chickpea flour in the stores, but when I saw her do this, I said, wait a minute, I'm gonna try this and just see. It was so simple. So I pulled my blender out, my big Ninja blender, and this time it is my Ninja. I know in the last video when I was talking about my smaller blender that I've been using to make my smoothies, that's my NutriBullet, but I do have a Ninja blender as well. So yeah, let's try this out. I'm just gonna show y'all. They said all you have to do is use the regular chickpeas, put it in a blender, put it through a sifter, and that's it. If I find out it's this simple, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. So give me 1 second and I'm gonna let y'all see me try this out. We'll see.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right.
That is loud. All right, so I'm gonna do this real quick and then I'm gonna get back with y'all.
But we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive.
Okay, family, so it only took a few seconds, and if you could see, it's like, yeah. I'm getting ready to take it out and go from there.
I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take your all them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but
So I put it back in there for a few more seconds or so because I still had some big, well, they weren't big pieces, but big enough. So I see it's grinding up a little bit more, but already, guys, can y'all see that? Oh my goodness, we got chickpea flour. I'm so excited. So I'm getting ready to finish, and then again, I'll come back to y'all in a minute.
elements living free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep.
Family, we got action. Look at this chickpea flour. Oh my goodness, so easy. And let me show you what I bought from the store. 1 second. All right, as you can see, garbanzo bean flour, same as chickpea flour. And if I go in here, same thing. I'm excited to learn that this was so easy to make. So yeah, if you use chickpea flour, it's as simple as getting the dry beans, putting them in the blender and putting them through the sifter like you saw me doing. I'm excited. I'm glad I saw that video today. Hey family, look. I am in the farmer's market and I was just coming in here to like get my Roma tomatoes because y'all know this where I get them and everything, and I didn't grab a basket because I was only planning to get a couple things. Y'all look what I see. Baby, look. Y'all see? It is watermelon time, baby. I had to go get a cart, grab our watermelon. I'm gonna hit y'all back. Happy Saturday, family. Look here. So my smart lock was alerting me, telling me that the batteries were low, right? And so I clicked on the link from the property telling me this is how you change it, right? So this is the cover. You see this black piece, right? Per the link, it tells me to only slide up the black part. Okay? So y'all, I've been trying to slide this black part up and it's not moving, right? The top part is not coming off easy. I'm like, this can't be that hard to change these batteries. So I call the number and they tell me I should be just trying to slide the black part up, right? Okay. So me, being Adrian, I said, okay, I see these little screws. I'm going to do these screws. I'm gonna take these screws out. So I go grab my drill, y'all. Don't play with it, right? And I do the screws and I'm still trying to just take the black part off. As y'all can see, hold on. This entire case, silver part, comes off and slides up. I am so irritated because I done sat here all this time trying to figure this out. I kept saying to myself, I feel like I'm gonna break this black piece because it's not sliding off easily. Then if I had a broke it, then they would have charged me. But your instructions say to slide the black piece up. The moment I take the screws out, this whole thing slid off. They got to be the dumbest. And now I know that, see, that's where I changed the batteries. O to the MGG. All right, so we got her back on. And let's see if our smart lock is working again. Because what? I'm so glad I think. Because I saw those little screws. I was like, oh, okay. Let's see what this do. Like this can't be that hard to change the batteries on this thing. Oh my. There we go. We are working again. Hey, what's up, family? We are at Lowe's and we are out here getting what we need for the garden. And let me just show you what we have so far. All right, so we have some marigolds. We know those are good companion plants. It'll bring the pollinators, but keep those little pesky people away that we don't want. And got us some basil so far. And we are still looking. So just wanted you all to see what we had going on. So yes, we got some purple basil and some sweet basil so far. I'm gonna head around. I think the peppers are, yeah, all of the peppers are over here. So let's go over here and see what pepper we are going to do. I'm thinking possibly maybe hot banana. But I would definitely just want to do a regular green bell pepper. So let's grab us one of those. Those good roots in there. Alright, so I'm going to go through these plants real quick, guys, and then I'll show you what I have before I leave. Alright, family, this is our haul for today, and I'll show you again when we get to the house. We got us some earthworm castings, so we're going to need those as well, but we're going to transport these to the house.
Yeah, Lord, I'm split in two. Part of me loves the world and the other loves you. What do I do? I wanna be safe, but I gotta stay cool. No, I'm not a fool. I know eventually I'm gonna have to choose my ticket into heaven and a chance to be used by God that I'm after. I just can't serve two masters before something happens. I gotta turn it all around, just have my cake and eat it too. Cause it's real easy to stay on the fence and still do you love the Lord and still go do our thing. You gotta be white or black. Yeah.
Hey family, happy Sunday. I'm out here on the back patio about to just set up a few bags real quick. You know, we got the items that we bought from Lowe's on yesterday, so we're gonna plant those and do an experiment with some green onion seeds that I have, and I'm just gonna try, you know. Again, all of this is a learning thing for me. Again, I tried last year and was able to produce a few little small peppers, but you know, we're gonna take what we learned and improve on it. So here are my grow bags, and here's our fertilizer that we had purchased last year. The newest thing that I bought yesterday was some earthworm castings. I've learned that can assist and really help with your garden. We have some topsoil and garden soil here, along with our compost and manure. So yeah, oh, I'm sorry, and some perlite for good airflow. There's a big old bee. All right, sorry about that, guys. Big queen bee. She keeps coming over here because these flowers are over here. So I need her to chill out and just wait until I'm done, and she can do whatever she wants to after that. But I need her to just mind her business for the time being until I get everything put in its proper place. So yeah, I won't record me doing it. I'm a little tired today. My body's aching. You know, my legs hurt a little bit. So I want to hurry up and get this done and get back in the house and do some stretching. So, all right, guys, I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Okay, family. So we have each container that I'm going to use filled: garden soil, topsoil, and the compost and manure mixture. And I am prepared. Oh, this one over here has just got some potting soil in it. I'm gonna plant a few marigolds in there as well. All right, so I'm gonna get this planted and I'll be back. All right, family, so we are all done for today. So this pot, we just have marigolds in it. This one I have the purple basil and the Thai basil. Oh, I also did plant as an experiment. Again, I'm just standing this basil up. Hold on, guys. There we go. Around the edges of this planter, I also dropped in some green onion seeds, so we'll see what happens with that. Here we have our red beefsteak tomato and a couple marigolds. Oh, and this is not gonna stay. This bamboo stick, I just stuck that there because it was out here. Where I'm going to put a oh, my mind is not where. I'll think of it in a minute. I'll think of it in a minute. So this one, we have our sweet banana peppers and a couple marigolds. And this one is our green bell pepper and a few marigolds again. And we had some marigolds left over, so we put it in this pot right here. More marigolds, the merrier. It'll encourage the pollinators but keep away pests. All right. So, yeah, I'm excited to see how these do and my continued learning of gardening. And yeah, so I'm gonna clean up my mess, you guys, and I'll holler at you later.
I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out of my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.